Let me ask you this. Are you using your Facebook personal page the most effective way so that you can attract paying clients? You're probably not, because I wasn't either until I realized that I was missing this one little one liner that goes right underneath my photo to let people know what I do. So let me share with you on how you can create a kick butt Facebook bio that gets people DMing you or clicking on your offers, scrolling to look at your videos, and just create an awesome engagement on your Facebook personal page that actually gets you clients. All right. All right, guys. So this is your first time seeing my face in your feed. I am Elise Michelle, and I help coaches just like you market your coaching business online without the overwhelm. I'm all about showing you simple and easy ways to attract paying clients and sell your coaching digital products. All right. So you might be saying, okay, Elise, where's this like bio that I need to be adding to my Facebook personal page? Well, hold up. Let me share with you just a second where it is. I got to share my slide. Okay. All right. Here's one. So this is right underneath your photo in your personal on your personal Facebook page. And sometimes we just miss this opportunity just to describe to people what we do. And y'all, this is not just on your computer, right? People, you can actually see this when people are looking at your Facebook page on their phone as well. So let me give you a close up of this, right? So right where the arrows, if I can say the word arrow are pointing is where you will put your kick book. I just cannot talk today. This is where you would put your kick butt Facebook bio, right? So let me walk you through the process on how you create one that grabs attention, right? And that is just not, something that people are like, well, what is she talking about? Okay. So the first part that you want to do in your first two words of your sentence, if you want to put I help who is it that you help? And this is where you have to get really clear on who your target market is, because you want to narrow down and niche down. And I know it can be scary. I know, because you're like, I can really help a lot of people. But look, you've got a really short window of time to attract your ideal clients. And you want clients that are motivated to pay, ones who are actually motivated to get the results. So you want to niche down and you want to say who you help. So in my bio, as you can see, I help coaches. Okay. The second thing, the next three words is that you want to tell me, what do you help the target market with? Okay. What is it that you help them with? And typically the help with statement is describing what your ideal clients are struggling with. Okay. So if they're struggling with marketing, my coaches are struggling with marketing. They don't need for me to help them, coach a client. They know how to talk and teach and, subject matter, but they just don't know how to get their products and services out there. So marketing, I help coaches with marketing. Okay. Then the last step is with what? How do you do that, right? I help them with marketing so that they're not overwhelmed. What do you do? What is your solution? Those are the last three words of your sentence. It tells them what you help them with, okay? Everyone knows about, not let me say everyone, because that's not a clear, right way to say that, right? But most people who are starting their coaching business understand that they have to get out there. They have to market to get out there. So it's important that I share with them ways that they can do it without being overwhelmed. I'm going to share simple and easy ways to market your business. And so in my one sentence, I clearly state who my target market is. I help them with online coaching business without the overwhelm. Clear and simple. So this is the statement that you want to add to your bio, your Facebook bio, so that you can have a kick butt Facebook bio. So people honestly know quickly what you do. All right. So if you want me to look at your bio, right? You want me to check and give you a little bit of feedback, go ahead and write your comment or your bio below in the comments, and I will give you feedback. All right. So I hope this tip helps. Please, y'all, Use your Facebook personal page in the most effective way, because people are searching you and they're going to your Facebook personal page first before they go to your business page. And we'll talk about your business page later on and how to optimize that. But this is the first step in optimizing and creating a Facebook bio that attracts paying clients and gets people to actually buy your digital products as well. All right. So I hope that helps. Again, leave your bio below in the comments so I can give you some feedback. All right. You guys have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.